हेलो एवरीवन। ये जो चैप्टर है क्लास 12 चैप्टर नंबर 5 मैग्नेटिज्म। टॉपिक 5.1 मैग्नेट्स एंड मैग्नेटिज्म। अ मैग्नेट इज अ मटेरियल दैट हैज़ बोथ अट्रैक्टिव एंड डायरेक्टिव प्रॉपर्टीज। टॉपिक 5.2 artificial magnet. The pieces of iron and other magnetic material can be made to acquire the property of natural magnets. Such magnets are called artificial magnets. Example: bar magnet, magnetic needles, horse saw magnet, ball-ended magnet. Topic 5.3 Basic property of magnet are: First, attractive properties. A magnet attracts small pieces of iron, cobalt, nickel, etc. When a magnet is brought near a heap of iron filings, the end of the magnet shows the greatest attractions. Second, directive properties. When a magnet is supertended or pivot freely, it aligns itself in a geographical north-south direction. Third, like poles repel, unlike poles attract. If the north pole of a magnet is brought near the north pole of a suspended magnet, the poles are found to be repel each other. Two south poles are also repel each other. In contrast, North Pole and South Pole always attract each other. This action can be described by the law of magnetism, magnetic poles, which states like magnetic poles repel and unlike magnetic poles attract each other. Fourth, magnetic poles always exist in pair. If we try to isolate the the two poles from each other by breaking the magnet in the middle, each broken part is found to be a magnet with north pole and south pole at its end. Fifth, magnetic induction. A magnet induces magnetism in a magnetic substance placed near it. This phenomena is called magnetic induction. Topic 5.4 Some important definitions connected with magnetism. Magnetic field. The space around the magnet within which its influence can be experienced is called its magnetic field. Uniform magnetic field. A magnetic field in a region is said to be uniform if it has some magnitude and direction at all points of that region. Magnetic poles. These are the regions of apparently concentrated magnetic strength in a magnet where the magnetic attraction is maximum. Magnetic axis. The line passing through the poles of a magnet is called magnetic axis. Magnetic equator. The line passing through the center of the line passes through passing through the center of the magnet at right angles to the magnetic axis is called magnetic equator. Magnetic length. The distance between the two poles of a magnet is called the magnetic length. Topic 5.5 Coulomb's law of magnetic field force. This law states that the force of attraction or repulsion between the two magnetic poles is directly proportional to the product of their poles' strength and inversely proportional to the square of a distance between them. Force is directly proportional to the Qm1 Qm2 upon r square equal to force equal to k Coulomb constant Qm1 Qm2 upon r square. Force equal to mu naught upon 4 pi dot Qm1 into Qm2 upon r square equal to 4 pi into 10 की power minus 7 upon 4 pi into Qm1 Qm2 upon r square. So 4 pi cancel. Force equal to 10 की power minus 7 into Qm1 Qm2 upon r square. Topic 5.6 Magnetic dipole. An arrangement of two equal and opposite magnetic poles separated by a small distance is called magnetic dipole. Magnetic dipole moment. The magnetic dipole moment of a magnetic dipole is defined as the product of the poles strength and magnetic length. M equal to Qm into 2L. Qm is a pole strength, 2L is a distance between separation of poles. SI unit is ampere meter square or joules Tesla inverse. Topic 5.7 Magnetic field lines of force. A magnetic lines of forces may be defined as the curve, the tangents to which at any point gives the direction of magnetic field at that point. It may also be defined as the path along which a unit north pole would tends to move if free to do so. Properties of lines of forces. पहली property, magnetic lines of force are closed curve which start in air from the north pole and end at south pole and then return to the north pole through the interior of a magnet. Second, the line of a force never cross each other. If they do so, that would mean there are two directions of magnetic field at the point of intersection, which is impossible. Third, they start from end on the surface of magnet normally. Fourth, the line of force have tendency to contract lengthwise and expand sidewise. This explains attractions between unlike poles and repulsion between like poles. Fifth, the relative closeness of the lines of force gives a measure of strength of magnetic field which is maximum at the pole. Topic 5.8 A current carrying solenoid and bar magnet. When a current is passed through a solenoid, it behaves like a bar magnet. Some observations of similar behavior are as follow. First, a current carrying solenoid suspended freely always comes to the rest in north-south direction. Second, two current carrying solenoids exhibits mutual attraction and repulsion when brought closer to one another. This shows that their ends faces act as north and south pole, like that of bar magnet. Third, the line of force of a bar magnet while shows the lines of force of a finite solenoid. The two patterns have a striking resemblance. Fourth, the magnetic field of both the bar magnet and the current carrying solenoid at any far away axial point are given by same expressions. B axial mu naught upon 4 pi dot 2m upon r cube. Thus, a bar magnet and a solenoid produces similar magnetic field. Topic 5.9 Gauss law in a magnetism, which states that the surface integral of magnetic field over a closed surface is always zero. Cyclic integration BDS equal to the zero. टॉपिक 5.10 अर्थ्स मैग्नेटिज्म. ये जो स्ट्रक्चर है अर्थ का है जो कि एक मैग्नेट की तरह बिहेव करता है. जियोग्राफिक एक्सिस क्या होती है? द स्ट्रेट लाइन पासिंग थ्रू द जियोग्राफिकल नॉर्थ एंड साउथ पोल ऑफ द अर्थ इज कॉल्ड इट्स जियोग्राफिक एक्सिस. मैग्नेटिक एक्सिस, द स्ट्रेट लाइन पासिंग थ्रू द मैग्नेटिक north and south pole of the earth is called its magnetic axis. Magnetic equator, it is the great circle on the earth perpendicular to the magnetic axis. Magnetic meridian, this vertical plane passing through the magnetic axis of a freely suspended small magnet is called magnetic meridian. The earth's magnetic field act in the direction of meridian. Geographic meridian, the vertical plane passing through the geographic north and south poles is called geographic meridian. Thank you. This chapter end होता है. Next chapter will be let we soon start.